Security and safety of Airbnb property. This point has high importance among Airbnb challenges. Guests want to feel safe during their stay, while hosts want to make sure their property is secure. It starts with providing adequate lighting, installing locks and security systems, and having emergency procedures in place. So, install secure locks on doors and windows, provide safe or lock-in storage. Ensure your property is well lit at night. Don't forget about clear instructions on using security systems and emergency procedures. As for the security, if you really like to go through the checklist and save your safety and security policies, we can arrange a call. Don't hesitate. Send us a message or email, book the time, and let's go through security checklist.